this video, we will take a look at how to organize and manage the bookmarks that you have in Google Chrome. This includes adding, deleting, and renaming any of these shortcuts that you have across your bookmarks bar. This will help keep you organized, and it will keep the sites that you use most frequently easily accessible. If you haven't been using your bookmarks bar, let me show you how easy it is to add something. I have a website open here that I use pretty often. It's called Remove BG, and it's a great site for removing background images. But if I'd like to add a shortcut on my bookmarks bar, all I need to do is go to the website and then click the little star icon right here, which says bookmark this tab. Now it added the bookmark right away, and I can just simply say done, or if I'd like to, I can go and hit edit, which I'm going to do, because the main thing is the name of the bookmark should be short and sweet. Otherwise, it's going to take up a ton of space on that bookmarks bar. So I'm going to delete a lot of the stuff here and just keep it real simple. We'll call it remove.bg. And I want it to go right on the bookmarks bar, so I don't need to change anything there. And then I'm just going to go ahead and click done. Now at this point, you should see that bookmark show up on your bookmarks bar. I'm not seeing mine, but that's because I have too many bookmarks and it's in my little hidden bookmarks section. So I have to click on this little arrow right here. At this point, I see that it's here, and I'm going to click on it and simply drag it up to my toolbar wherever I would like it to be. And now I have that shortcut right on my bookmarks bar. So for any websites that you frequently access that are not already up here or not already in ClassLink, it's a great idea to add some shortcuts. Another thing to take a look at is if there are any bookmarks that you no longer need and you can remove. So I no longer need to buy anything else on Amazon. I'm going to right-click on that icon and just go down to delete. No more spending. So go ahead and remove anything that you don't need. And another thing you can take a look at are the names that you have across your toolbar. If any of them can be shortened, that'll help you to fit more icons along that toolbar. So I have this icon here. This name is a little bit long, this RL Tour Creator. So I can right-click on that and go to Edit. And now I can just give that a shorter name. So I'm going to take off the RL and maybe I'll just call it TC. Nice and short. And I'm just going to go ahead and click Save. And now I have a much shorter name. Eventually, I'll be able to fit some more icons here since I'm creating additional space. If you'd really like to fit a lot more, another tip that you can do is you can remove the names completely and just leave the icons. So for example, I have a link to Outlook, to my email. So I'm going to right-click on that and go to Edit. And I'm going to just delete the word Outlook and just click Save. This is going to just include the icon. And now if you look to the right, I am starting to fit more of those icons that are not fitting on my page. So I can do the same thing with ClassLink if I want. Edit, just take out the words and click Save. And again, by just having icons, I can certainly fit more across the toolbar. Another thing that helps keep your bookmarks organized is the concept of creating folders. So I created a West Islip folder, and within that folder, I have some links to some different West Islip related sites. So I just want to walk you through how I created that. So usually to create a folder, I'll just point somewhere on the toolbar and right-click my mouse, and then I'll go down to Add Folder. So let's say I did want to create the West Islip folder. I'll just call mine WI, and then I'm going to go ahead and click Save. Now, normally yours will show up on the toolbar, but because I have so many, I have to go fish mine out of the hidden bookmarks because I need to get them to fit. So here's my WI folder. I can now click on it and drag it up to the toolbar wherever I'd like it to go. Currently, it's an empty folder, but it's pretty easy to drag things right into that folder. So let's say I want to move my Outlook icon into there. I can just drag and drop. If I want to move ClassLink into there, again, just drag and drop, and you'll start to build a list of icons. Looks kind of funny without their names here. Maybe I want to move Drive there as well, and maybe these are the ones I use pretty frequently. Okay, and again, the more things you add to your folder lists, the more room you have to fit more things. If you do have a ton of bookmarks like I do and you really need to do a lot of deleting, you can go up to the three dots on the top right of Chrome and go down to Bookmarks and Lists, and there is a Bookmark Manager. From within here, you'll be able to see all of your folders and all of your bookmarks a little more easily, and you can delete and move them from here as well. So just a little side tip if you have a lot like I do. Again, it's a great time of year to take a look at your bookmarks, refresh your list, go through, clean out, get rid of the old, and keep just the things that you use most often. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.